चंद्र प्रकाश जी, श्रीमती सृष्टि जी, नाम में सृष्टि आ गया और इसमें चंद्र प्रकाश आ गया। मुनबुल नर्जरी जी, थैंक यू। कैप्टन ईशान, कैप्टन नीतू, गुड। I am proud to be a Chittodian. That is my identity. I was born in village Kitana, district Jhunjhunu. But that was my biological birth. My real birth took place in Saini School, Chittodgarh. Saini School taught me values, discipline, decorum, friendliness, care for environment, to be one amongst many, not to be alone ever. When I look back to my days in Saini School, I have vivid, pleasant memories, unforgettable. Chittodians, wherever they are, have made their school proud. And why not? In the history of this nation, Chittodgarh has a place of pride. Every day you boys and girls see the fort, Vijayistham, Kirtistham, Maharana Pratap, Rana Sangha, Padmani. They are part of our legacy, history. They inspire us, motivate us to believe always in the nation. Never ever subject national interest to any other interest, personal, financial, or otherwise. Always remember, we are citizens of the largest, oldest, and most vibrant democracy. If you look around countries of the world, you will find our civilization is global envy. There is no one to compete with us. We have civilizational history of more than 5,000 years old. Saini schools, to begin with, were 5. Saini School Chittodgarh was one amongst the 5. Now, we are lucky. The number of Saini schools has increased massively. That's a good step in the right direction. Because those who come to Saini School basically come from villages, semi-urban areas, but they are very talented. कहते हैं वो गुदड़ी के लाल हैं. So Saini schools make career of those who have talent, who have potential, but who need some help. I am so glad you are studying in Saini School. Be ever proud all your life that you studied in Saini School Chittodgarh. And make your school, your teachers and your parents ever proud. Now Saini schools have variables now. We have Saini schools even by state governments. I had the good occasion at the invitation of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to visit a Saini school at Gorakhpur. It is birthday of Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. He is the longest serving Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in continuation and otherwise. He is remembered all over for changing the landscape of law and order in Uttar Pradesh. He has made Uttar Pradesh Uttam Pradesh. Organizing Kumbh was a global achievement. But I would always credit him for Sainik School at Gorakhpur. He has created a Sainik School with complete infrastructure, dedication. Now Sainik schools have also come up, boys and girls, in private sector with participation of the private parties. That's another good area. The country will do well with more Sainik schools. We are a large country of 1.4 billion people, the most populous country in the world. We need more Sainik schools. Because getting quality education is divine gift. But getting quality education in Sainik schools, where you learn commitment to patriotism, commitment to nation, then we need more of these schools. A big change has taken place during our times and decades thereafter. Sainik schools were meant only for boys. 50% of humanity was ignored. Can you succeed in the world without 50% of the talent not being recognized? And now Sainik schools are provided for girls. I see them here all around. And what an achievement in the world for Bharat. Our girls are combat pilots. Our girls are in police force. Our girls are in CAPFs. We call those girls involved with ISRO rocket woman. So participation of girls in equal measure is fundamental. And I must appreciate Prime Minister Modi for achieving something which did not happen for 3 decades earlier. An epochal development, a game-changing development. 1/3 reservation for women in Lok Sabha and state legislatures. And I must also commend that earlier we used to have all boys Sainik schools. Now we have at Mathura all girls Sainik school. A big development. It is because of the firm foundations of character, integrity, and commitment in Sainik schools that we have been able to cater to the requirements of our defense forces. And that is why, as a proud Indian, I can say the recent lesson we taught to the enemy across the border, we are proud of our defense forces. Pahalgam barbarity has been avenged to the accommodation of the entire world. Time for us to salute our defense forces. What they achieved has never been done before. Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba, who defined terrorism, their locations in Bhavalpur and Muridke, deep inside the territory of Pakistan, beyond international border, you all must have seen, were destroyed. You must have seen coffins being escorted by terrorists, their army, and their politicians. That was the greatest success of our defense forces. You are in the making. And therefore, you have a great future ahead of you. Coming back to the issue that you are going for a football match, winning and losing is important, but not all important. It is the spirit of the game. It is the spirit with which you play. It is the connection you generate. That is more important. While I wish you good luck, I wish good luck to any team that will win, because that is also our team. We will excel in one game, others will excel in another game. That has to be our growth journey. Now, boys and girls, when I recollect my own days, things were very different. We didn't have mobile phone. We didn't have television. We didn't have internet. We hardly had personal automobiles. When you used to go back to our houses, there was no toilet, no gas connection, no water tap, no health center close by, no road connectivity. And look at, in your lifetime, India has grown exponentially, making you proud Indians. Cheer up. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! And don't have an idea that Bharat was born in 47, no. 5,000 years ago. In 47, all that happened was we got rid of foreign rule. And that is why today the entire world is appreciating Bharat. Bharat stands for peace. Bharat stands for global harmony. Operation Sindoor did not target civilians. Did not destroy property in a wanton manner. Only the terrorist hideouts were targeted. Precise, calibrated, accurate, and we all had the occasion to see it. Which means we have sent a message to the entire world. Enough is enough. No more tolerance of terrorism. Those who will commit barbarity, use terrorism as a weapon, will be taught the lesson of their life, like Bhavalpur and Muridke. And therefore, it's a confident Bharat. It's a Bharat on the rise. It's a Bharat with hope and possibility. It is Bharat that has opportunities for every young mind. In every sphere, we are a nation on rise. Rise is unstoppable. Rise is incremental. We are no longer a nation with a potential. Our potential is getting exploited. We are no longer a nation that dreams. No. Viksit Bharat is our destination. We are marching towards that. And we will succeed because I have before you young boys and girls. When I look at you, there, your lives have been changed, revolutionized for the positive aspect. I know when I went to Sainik School from a village, all that I saw was for the first time. You are lucky to have seen it before. I have not seen those things at all in my life. And therefore, I would always remember the time we spent in Sainik School. Always be in connect with your classmates, with your school fellows. We are Chittodians. We have celebration batch-wise also. You must have seen that. I would be happy as Vice President of the country to contribute in any manner whatsoever for the growth trajectory of Sainik School. We have a youth icon. The destiny snatched him when he was around 40 years of age. Swami Vivekananda, the sage who went to Chicago, stunned the entire world at that point of time. In his address to the Assembly of Religions, when he said, brothers and sisters, remember what he said. He has given a message to entire impressionable minds, boys and girls, and girls and boys. I can't put one before the other. So girls and boys, boys and girls, girls and boys, okay? I quote what Vivekananda thundered for your generation. It should ever resonate in your ears. And what he said was this: arise, awake, and stop till the goal is reached. Stop not. So arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. Now, what I did not dream, what I did not think while I was a student, while I was in college, while I was in profession as a senior advocate, while I was a member of parliament in 89, while I was a minister in 1990 in Delhi, I never thought Bharat will rise so much that we will be the first nation in the world to land our Chandrayaan-3 at South Pole of Moon. और हमने वहाँ क्या किया? तिरंगा फहराया, शिव शक्ति पॉइंट दिया वहाँ पर. That being the situation, you have a bright future. The government of the day is investing in education, is investing in youth, their interests, sports, and therefore you will have to be different as boys and girls of Sainik School. And to be different, you will have to make a difference. How do you make a difference? You make a difference by optimally utilizing your time. Never fear. Never have tension. Never have stress. Because these only slide you down. Always think positively. There are no failures in life. Failure is a message. Do more. If you look at research, inventions, and discovery, 3 are important. No one succeeded in the first attempt. Chandrayaan-3 succeeded because Chandrayaan-2 succeeded 95%. Gaganyaan will also succeed. Therefore, believe in yourself. Secondly, I must share with you, when I was in Sainik School, I was crazy. I always wanted to come at number 1 in the class. So you have Amul these days, Amul butter. We didn't have Amul. We had Polson. So whenever I would be with a teacher, my colleagues will say, Paulson, Paulson, Paulson. कि टीचर के पोल्सन लगा रहा है. होता है ना, कई बार इतनी हंसी मजाक का वातावरण होता है, कई बार अपने दोस्त अपने को चुनौती देते हैं, वो दिन सदैव याद रहते हैं. Am I right? Thank you so much. Your endorsement matters. I am sure you will carry my message to the principal. I will expect boys and girls of Sainik School to come in small batches to see Indian Parliament, and they will be my guest. Okay? Carry that message. And in 2025, I will make a visit to Sainik School, Chittorgarh. I am delighted. And I would love to go to my own house, Sangha House. Sangha House is having a difficult position because when you look from Sangha House towards the school building, on the left-hand side you'll find residence of the principal, the headmaster, and the registrar. So they were all close by. I'll go there. That will be nostalgic journey for me. But I can assure you, boys and girls, you will realize every year what you are getting from Sainik School. You will realize. Sometimes, my own experience, we think others are very intelligent. We think they are very sharp because we have not been in that area. Don't yield. Don't yield. Communicate in your language. Communicate your feelings. Exert yourself. You must always give your point of view. That is very fundamental. कभी शर्माना मत, क्योंकि आप में प्रतिभा की कोई कमी नहीं है. कोई कहीं से भी आ रहा हो, इस धरती पर आसमान से कोई नहीं टपका है. टपका है क्या कोई? बेटा टपका है क्या? आई एम आस्किंग यू, हैज एनीवन ड्रॉप्ड फ्रॉम स्काई ऑन द अर्थ? नो. सो वी कैन चैलेंज एनीवन, but challenge in a positive sense. My very best wishes to you, and I am sure you will remember two things I have conveyed. My visit to Sainik School in 2025 and my invitation. The two captains are here. And the PT inspectors are here. PT inspectors are difficult sometimes. They ask you to be ready at 6 o'clock. It's still 6 o'clock. And half an hour prayed. And games is 5 to 6 or 4 to 5? 4 to 5:30. 4 to 5:30. Good. Thank you so much for your time. नहीं, मैं मैडम के साथ नहीं आता हूँ. मैडम के साथ ही आता हूं. लास्ट टाइम एक दिक्कत हो गई, ये नहीं आई क्योंकि मैं इसकी इंस्टीट्यूट में नहीं गया था. ठीक है ना? तो इसने, अब समझ गए ना ये क्यों नहीं आई. मन तो इसका बहुत था. आपने सही बात कही, दुखती रख के ऊपर हाथ रख दिया, सबको हंसी आ गई. होता है ना ऐसा. I'm so glad the girls are smiling more than boys. Why? Why are girls smiling more than boys? Yes, now boys have come up. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.